Hello, my name is Yashis Rao. Today, I would like to introduce you to a software company called ViridisChem, which is addressing the needs related to green chemistry adoption through a suite of products that helps chemists avoid toxicity, reduce waste, and define sustainable product development paths. I will specifically focus on its product Green Pocketbook that is available through yearly subscription. Green Pocketbook can be used by different industries and offers many benefits. For researchers involved in product design and development, when you draw the structure of a new molecule, the product calculates on-the-spot toxicity estimation, which enables early toxicity awareness of drug targets. If you know that a certain toxic reagent or solvent must be replaced with a more sustainable alternative, you can select better chemicals based on a functional group, a category such as a reducing agent or a polar solvent, or specific property thresholds such as melting point or vapor pressure. You can visually compare and select better chemicals and understand the regulatory concerns that go along with it. For environmental health and safety departments, this serves as a precautionary tool to understand how to handle and dispose of chemicals and what safeguards must be taken to avoid accidents. When you integrate it with the lab inventory system, it can help you locate and isolate fire or health hazards to better prepare for emergencies. It also provides essential GHS classification of chemicals and shows this pictorially to save some time. For academic institutes, it quantifies exposure to toxic chemicals in terms of health, safety, and ecological scores. It can help you understand how physical, chemical, and biological issues translates to risk assessment and how structural changes then affect these toxicity scores. You can learn how to utilize these functional groups, chemical properties, and physical categories to identify greener chemicals. So let's summarize the key features of the Green Pocketbook. First and foremost is the comprehensive toxicity data. It shows over 40 physical and toxicological properties on one screen and alerts users to any US or international regulations. The data is curated from over 100 public or government sources. Where experimental data is not available, QSAR models are utilized to estimate the values. It predicts the toxicity of new molecules based on its structure, offering early warnings and awareness of possible problems. There's also the advanced search function. If you require a specific chemical or physical characteristic, but must replace it due to its toxicity, you can select a better alternative by selecting within the same functional group, with specific property value range, and also by specifying that you want to avoid specific health or safety issues. And lastly, the green scores. They quantify the ecological, health, and safety impact of the chemical and are shown visually. A real-life application for improvement of process synthesis can be found in the process of sertraline, an antidepressant. During the discovery stage, the synthesis was carried out in an aromatic, nonpolar solvent called toluene with the reagent titanium tetrachloride. The green scores on the right suggest that toluene is a highly flammable solvent, and both the solvent and reagent have high chronic health scores. This is clearly a hazardous reaction, and during scale-up, it must be improved with a better alternative of greener chemicals to lower the toxicity score. So during manufacturing, the process was improved to involve a single solvent, ethanol. While ethanol still remains a flammable solvent, it can be recovered and recycled easily. As you can see, there's a steep decline in terms of the chronic health scores. This commercial process is a far better improvement and offers much better lab safety to the chemists involved in production. By limiting the usage of extraneous starting material, it also cuts the cost during the manufacturing processes. Thank you for listening and giving me your time. Please feel free to visit our website at www.ViridisChem.com or contact us for a free demo at 408-250-6905. Thank you again.